So if someone's in labor, I always like for them to tell me what is sore. It changes because the contractions get harder. But the last pregnancy massage that I did, the favorite part of the massage was the glutes. And I rubbed the whole hip, and she loved it. And then about 3 days later, she had her baby. And I got to also rub her pregnant belly, which the baby got a massage as well because she kept pushing up into my hands. So as much as the baby gets tired of being in a tight place, it loves its back rubbed. So it worked really well. But massage is very soothing and comforting no matter what age you are. And so, let's see, I can show you how I would massage a pregnant mother. And so, we just have to get this client to move. So we'll do that. We'll do that in just a second. Can we get on the other side?
Okay.
There's a huge mirror over here.
That's why if they come, I have to film them on this side of the room. So I was going to actually move the table and put the couch there.
So you're going to scoot down now so that your head's on the table. Keep scooting. And so I'm actually going to finish his neck. I'm going to finish his massage. The things that I would do for a woman that's in labor. Oh, I've only been once to an actual labor, and it was in a hospital. It was like a birthing room. It was
for a
my
lady
cousin.
in labor?
My cousin.
Wow.
She was having her baby. Yep, and it came really fast, and it was something. But they broke her water for her, and
Yeah.
that was uncomfortable for her, and just they didn't give her any time. What'd you say?
Oh, it's just really weird. All of a sudden my hands are like all swollen and sore. It's really bizarre.
That's the fluid getting out of your body.
Maybe.
That's what happened to my face, and now it's fine. It moves out, and then you go to the bathroom and it come out.
So you said that that you slept funny?
Yeah, I got up and I had a stiff neck. Oh my gosh. On one side particularly. So I've been trying to stretch it all day.
Okay, I'm going to pause this one now.